Hi everyone, I am Crizel Ignacio from ABM 11. So for today, in this video, our topic is communication breakdown. This is one of our activity in oral communication. And our handsome teacher in this subject is Mr. Jerry Ragmac Jr. So, what is communication breakdown? A communication breakdown is defined as a failure to exchange information resulting in a lack of communication. So guys, in every conversation we have, the failure is not set aside. It says in communication has a part of failure or communication failed. And in communication breakdown, it has effects and causes. But before we discuss that, I want to target some examples in communication breakdown in school. Communication barriers in the classroom make it difficult for the students to get the most out of their education. Some teachers fail to create engaging lessons and struggle to connect to their students on a one-to-one basis. Students with unaddressed language or speech difficulties often have trouble communicating with their teachers and classmates. Personality differences and peer pressure add to making some classrooms interactions feel awkward or forced. Another one example is boring classroom lessons. Classroom communication breaks down when students are bored, unmotivated, or disinterested in their schoolwork. Students don't need to entertain all day, but teachers should work hard to develop engaging lessons with interesting, relevant activities. Though providing assignments, technologies, enhanced lectures, and creative projects spark classroom communication and interaction. Outdated routine assignments and busy work create communication barriers. Students don't want to interact with their teachers and just want class to be over. Teachers who put energy, enthusiasm, and creativity into their lessons or lesson plans don't usually have to deal with their communication barrier. Another one is personality differences. Some communication problems stems from the personality differences between students and teachers. For example, students who don't want to connect on a personal level with their teachers often avoid communicating with them. This personality dynamic frustrates teachers who attempt to bond with each student, only to find that their efforts unsuccessful. Students who crave closeness and acceptance often strive to be the teacher's pet. Teachers and classmates might get imitated with students who brown nose for attention. Personality differences lead to frustration, unhappiness, and a lack of communication between students and teachers. Teachers must recognize and understand these personality differences and strive to find a healthy balance without showing partiality or favoritism. What effects can a communication breakdown have on you, on your class? The above can create my difficulties for your school and its classmates and or your classmates. This can be things such as demotivation, anger, embarrassment, tension, stress, gossip, and many more. And lastly is pressure. Guys, again, communication breakdown is not set aside if you have a communication to your classmates, to your teacher, and to everyone you can communicate. And again, this is me, Crizel Ignacio from ABM 11.